Hi friends, Miss Adrienne here. Today we're going to talk about affirmations. Can you say affirmations? Nice. Do you know what an affirmation is? An affirmation is a thought that we think to ourselves, or we can say it out loud, that makes our brain think positively so that we can achieve our goals. This week, my affirmation is, I can do hard things. Can you say that with me? I can do hard things. I use this affirmation when something is feeling really challenging and I think, oh, I can't do this, I want to give up. And then I think, I can do hard things. Yesterday, I was riding my bike and I tried to go up a really big hill and I was feeling so tired and my legs felt like they couldn't go anymore. And then I thought, I can do hard things. And that made my brain feel positive with a can-do attitude. And then my legs started to feel stronger and I kept pedaling all the way up the hill. I would love to hear one of your affirmations, or you can use mine and tell me how it helped you. See you next time, my friend, for another affirmation.